Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Marketplace to buy and sell. So for you to do that, you can simply click on this icon at the top up here, which is the market icon. You also can click on this, which is the market icon, and right here you can see the available market, different stuff. This is 1111, which is autumn red. This is iPhone 8 Plus, which is about 150. This is 11. So this is 14. And this you have to read the description. So that's it. So now I'm going to show you how you can buy. Let me just try and fix this page. Now, right here, before you can buy something in the market activities, so it's no market activities, you just have to browse the market activities. So that's going to send you back to the market activities. So let's just come on up like this. Okay, I have to look for something I would like to buy. Okay, yes, I want to buy this iWatch. So just gonna check through it. Then it's good. Then you come down here. You try and check the condition. Okay, the details, the condition, the color, the device. Right. So the details is under the condition used like name, color is black, then device name is Apple Watch Series 7, new Apple Watch, stuff like that, no scratch, comes with charger. Then is the person's location, $100 or best offer. So right here is the person that wants to use the seller's account. You can see the seller, then you can just chat the person from here. Then we start the market negotiation, or from here also you can start the chat. You can also save this for later, or probably you share with someone. Tap on this three-dot icon. If you don't like seeing this list, you can easily hide it from the listing, or you probably report the listing, and that is the part of the buying. So if you are selling, just click on the selling option. Right here, if you don't have any selling options, you just create a new list. So if you want to sell items for sale, vehicles, properties for a sales or rent, so you just have to make your type of list. So and that's it. So once you're done, then set up. Let's make the condition label, the pictures, write the pictures of the items list, and they are good to go. And that's it.